Hi there, welcome to Houston DIY. In this video we're checking out this LED strip from Politics. Okay, so we've been sent this smart Wi-Fi LED strip from the company called Politics. Some of the features of the actual LED strip, multiple colour effects, it's Wi-Fi connectable, 16 million colours, it's RGB, synchronises to music as well, dimmable. So in this video we're going to unbox the actual LED strip, see what it's like, and then we're going to install it on this desk here. We're going to put it at the back of the desk, just across the back, round into the corner, and then we'll be able to control it with Wi-Fi and also with the included remote control. So let's check out what's in the box first of all. So we've got the remote control and the Wi-Fi controller there. We've got the UK mains power plug there. So that's got the UK element there and the power socket that goes into the strip there. User manual and the actual LED strip here. So you can get different types of LED strips. This is a COB or a COB type. So hopefully you can see that there. It's got the element running down the middle there, which has got a diffuser built in, but we are diffusing the light even more there. So this is a different one. It's a little bit more flexible, and you've got the sealed element on just running on the front of it there. You can also see we've got the copper contacts there. So that's where you can cut this actual strip. So I think that's probably every 10 centimeters. You've got a cutting part every 10 centimeters, which is great, obviously flexible for installation. So what we'll do, we'll set up the camera at the desk and we'll show the actual installation. What we're doing, we're going to install it in some conduits. So we've got this metal conduit here and this diffuser element that goes over the top. So the LED strip will sit inside of there, and then we'll screw this metal element into the back of the desk. I'm going to drill some holes through the actual metal here, and then we'll screw down into that desk unit back there. We'll then put the plastic over the top of there, which will diffuse the light up, and we can create a really cool light effect in that desk corner. So I'll set the camera up and we'll do a bit of a time lapse of the installation, and then we'll come back at the end and summarise. Okay, we're all done now, installed fully on the desk. Got some close-ups there of how we installed it inside the channels. We cut the actual LED strip to length, so you can cut it every 10 centimeters on the copper pads. Cut straight through that, away you go. We actually used the Smart Life application for the installation of the LEDs. This connected the LEDs to the Wi-Fi, so it's Wi-Fi controllable. You can also add it to the Amazon and Google services, so you can link it into those services too. So let me just show you those on the phone application now. Okay, hopefully you can see my screen just over here somewhere, just to show you the Smart Life application. So you put these into pairing mode, it's covered in the instructions that comes included in the box. Put them into pairing mode, add a device in the Smart Life application or the Toya application, that's T-U-Y-A. As you can see, we've added them here. We've called them the Oliver's Desk Light. So you can manually control them using the application. You can also control them using the included remote control. But we're not doing that, we're doing it from either the app or using our voice with Amazon. So let me just show you using my voice just to switch it on. So Alexa, Oliver's Desk Light on. There we go, we've got that on there. Now, what you can also do, you can turn it on and off. You can do the brightness, but you can also change the colour with your voice. Alexa, Oliver's Desk Light green. So it's giving you total voice control over it. So I'll just dim that down. Alexa, Oliver's Desk Light 10%. And that dims it all the way down to a real more subtle. Alexa, Oliver Desk Light 100%. And there you go, got it full brightness there, working really well. So let me just bring the application back up onto the screen just to show you can use the application to control that. So if I turn it to red in the application, I turn it to blue in the application. Again, I can do the brightness kind of up and down in the application. Really, really easy to do. So multiple ways of controlling these lights. Super simple to use, super easy to install. Overall, a really great product. Okay, so hopefully you've enjoyed the video, or at least been informative. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. Any questions about the lights, the installation, anything like that, drop it in the comment section. We'll reply to all questions and comments. Stay right there if you want to check out some more DIY projects that we've done in the Houston DIY house.